Culinary program is to get students industry ready.
I never thought that in high school, of all things, I could start to be a professional chef.
Even if they don't know anything about working in kitchens or they haven't cooked anything for themselves, we start from very basic skills, so all skill levels can come in and be successful.
We make lots and lots of fun foods, pastries, breads, actual meals. It's just really entertaining, it's fun.
Any kitchen they go into, they're going to be able to recognize all that equipment, identify it, use it correctly, and seamlessly integrate into an actual restaurant. We have a great program now with our internship program. Students from the CTE programs, including Culinary, can work with me during their senior year, and that is essentially them running that cafe in there. The students are designing the menu for coffee for teachers so they can come in during Fridays, get a free coffee, and these students are able to practice all the skills that they've learned in here in a real-life scenario. Outside of the classroom, students have competition opportunities through FCCLA and CCAP, and also community activities such as the one we just had at the Phoenician, where we were paired up with a chef mentor. He tailored a recipe for our kids. He would come down to the school and we did all the prep work, and then we transported everything to a booth at the Phoenician with about 30 other culinary classes throughout Arizona, and we got to serve little samples of what we made, and for this year we made paella.
It allows access to more job opportunities in a realm that most kids don't normally think about, such as like being a chef and owning your own restaurant.
The students in this program, at the end of the year, will have the opportunity to get their ServSafe manager certification, which is an extremely difficult certification to get, but very impressive if you're going into your first restaurant job and showing that you already have that certification. It'll stand you out from the other applicants for that position. And it's a great experience for the kids in learning how to not only work in the kitchen, but learning these soft skills, working with a team, learning how to manage their time well. Even if they don't go into industry, they can still be successful and learn those great skills.